Cream pumpkin soup. Prepare pumpkin, a small amount of onion, whipped cream, milk. Cut a quarter of onion into small pieces. Cut the pumpkin into slices. Add butter to hot oil. Add the onion and stir fry until fragrant. Add the pumpkin. And stir fry for 1 minute. Add warm water to pumpkin level. Cover and simmer for 5 minutes. Pour it into a blender after 5 minutes. Milkshake mode for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, pour back into the pot and reheat. Add 50 milliliters of milk. A dash of whipped cream. Add a little salt after heating and it's ready. Follow me, a Cantonese dish will be updated every day.